friends, thank you for watching all our videos. I will promise to give you the best. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, NOLLY Rainbow Kids. Click the red button below. Also give us a like.
Taking that firewood now, let's move in out.
I'm coming now.
And we're hallucinating there.
So you guys are working. Rich girls cannot fresh firewood.
Hey!
Amalachi, what is your business in this thing we are doing this evening? What is your business, Amalachi? So says you are freshing firewood. I thought you guys are rich girls.
Hey! What concerns you here now? What concerns you?
How is your business? It's my business. How is your business, Amalachi? Tell me.
Amalachi, what is your business is here?
It's my business. How is your business?
Hey, you don't know who I am. I will take in this knife and cutting off your head is. What is your consonant here now? What is in fact? What is your business is?
Ask her what is your business.
Let me tell you. You see in these families, I formulate it in shortings and I formulate it in longings. So don't come in here and embracing me that I cannot even farmings. Eh? Are you finishes? Are you maddies? I'll take this knife now and cutting off your head. Nonsense.
Precious, you cannot farm. And success, you both cannot farm. You better carry out your dead body out of this place. If not, I will fight you tonight.
I cannot do anything.
I cannot do anything.
Yes.
I cannot do anything.
Yes.
I cannot do anything.
Yes.
What do you mean? Hey, you mean I cannot fight you?
And you cannot do anything.
Success telling this girl who I am. Hey. I will cutting off her head though.
Hey.
You want to stay there?
Yes.
I am.
Okay now.
Your luck.
Hey. Come on, fight next. Come on, fight next.
Cut off your neck. Nonsense.
I thought you have a powerless. I thought you have powerless. You would have come. Let me show you the power in me. The power that I'm made of is. Nonsense. Foolishnesses. You want to fight next? Come on, fight next. Let me show you the power that I'm made of. Nonsense.
Stupidness.
Let's go it. Nonsense. This girl wants to spoil my movies. She wants to spoil my movies.
Let's go, please. Okay, you guys are fighting. If you're finished your fighting, you come and meet me for home.
Here. Who taking it? You are asking me. Precious, my rapper. And the firewood I will just find inside this bush now. Hey, I know who will taking it that. I know who will taking it that firewood. And
Who do you suggest?
Who do you suggest? I know it that it is children. Because I told them children to follow me us to fetching firewood.
Which is the children that was at home playing, that will come here.
I told you that it's that girl. I told you.
And if I find out that it's her, I will beat her.
I will beat that
Because
girl.
she don't see me here, she don't see you here, and she carry the firewood and go. I will beat it's not today. What if it's not her? It's another person that carries the firewood.
I will beat her today. I should
So
mind
let's
the
go,
person that made
let's go. If it's not her. Precious, what kind of nonsense is this?
Oh, you're asking me what is it?
Can't you see I want to fetch water and go and take my bed? I don't want to go to school late though. I don't want to go to school late. Precious, I beg.
I minded to do that. So if you want to see the other side of mine, touch this water, then you will going to school that late. Nonsense.
Precious, better leave me alone this morning though, because I'm sure with what I'm doing. You did not do anything this morning. I swept the room, I did everything, I warmed the food, I even swept the compound, but you were there sleeping. Precious,
I minded to do that.
you minded to do that. Nonsense. Precious, you better leave this water like desired because there is no other water in this house. You better go and fetch water. You better go and fetch water because I want to use this water and take my bed. I don't want to go to school late. Precious, are you hearing me? I don't want to go to school late.
Don't take this water.
Precious, give me this cup. Let me use it and fetch water because this water here, I'm the one that's supposed to use it. There's no other water here in this house. You better go and fetch water and finish what I'm going to do. I've washed plates, I've arranged the room, I've swept everywhere, I've swept the compound, I've even warmed the food. And you're here doing, and you're there sleeping.
I minded to do that.
You minded to
Yes.
do that? Precious.
Don't take this water now.
Leave this bucket.
I will slap it you now.
You cannot do anything to me. You cannot.
I will slap it you.
You cannot slap me.
slap it you.
Okay, look at my toe. Slap me.
Yeah.
Slap me, Precious.
You are trying
Please,
to.
better leave this water.
You are trying to.
You guys are fighting. Since you guys don't want to bath.
Is it her? Is it her that take the water that I wanted to use and bath it? I will slap it out.
Better leave this water, Precious.
Okay, let me carry the water and bath.
Look at this girl, oh. Hey!
Okay, when you guys are through with your fighting, you let me know.
Look at this girl, oh. Hey!
You see what you caused?
You are the cause of it.
You are the cause of it.
You are the cause of this
I've been
nonsense.
messing for you. If not, I would have slapped you.
Precious, you are the cause of it. Maybe this water will be enough for me. Leave this water.
You can't start using the water. Come back here. I was. Success!
Yes, what is it?
Come and taking in this vegetable and putting inside the freezer. This vegetable, I didn't want it to spoil it because we are using it for cooking tomorrow. Why are you looking at me? Take this thing now. Take this thing, Joe.
Precious. Excuse me. When will you learn how to speak correct English? When? It is not freezer. It is freezer. Read my I leave, let me repeat it again. It is not freezer, it is freezer. English teachers. English teachers. Just because I say it freezer, that is why you are sparking. Don't allow me to spark, oh. Don't allow me to spark. Or else, I will slap you. If you want me to slap you, you letting me know. Nonsense. Come on that I say it freezer and
Pressure.
don't allow me to spark it.
Pressure. You cannot speak correct English. Go and learn how to speak correct English.
How will you get out from here? You see? Look at what a small child is telling you. Look at how a small child is teaching you how to speak correct English, for Christ's sake. Shutting up your mouth, oh. Shutting up your mouth. I'll shutting it for you. I'll shutting it for you. Or else you want me to slap you. Madnesses. Nonsense. Foolishnesses. You better go and learn how to speak English. You better go and learn how to speak
I will
English.
slap you now. Oh. I will slap you. Shutting up your mouth.
That's only what you
Madnesses.
Freeze it. Go and learn how to speak correct English. Look at the girl that you see here. She's telling you she's correcting you on how to speak good English. Nonsense. Freeze it. And from today, I'll be calling you Freeze it.
Success, your auntie said I should give you this thing. You guys will use it and cook soup.
Where is my auntie?
Your auntie is coming back next tomorrow.
What are you hiding next there? I'm not hiding anything.
Ha! Success, you're a liar. You're a liar. I saw that you hiding something in that bush and you're lying to me. You're not hiding anything there.
I'm just trying if my hand can touch the leaf.
Okay, wait. Let me search it inside the bush and saw it if you keep anything there. Coming out from there. Success. When do you started lying to me?
Nobody had no. I don't know the person that owns this thing, no. I don't know who
When
owns
do you
this.
started lying to me?
I'm not lying to you. I don't know the person that owns this.
Success. Telling me who gave it to you this thing.
I don't know.
Slap you.
Is Amarachi? She said that auntie gave it to her. That we should cook soup. That she's coming back next tomorrow.
Oh. Success. When do you started lying to me? When do you start to lie to me, Success?
No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Success. Success. So this is what Auntie brought in we're using and cooking this night. And you went and hiding in it. Success, you are craziest. In fact, you are maddest.
Hey, you better give me my
stupid
fruit.
netto.
Oh. You better give me my fruit now. Hey, you better give me my fruit.
Come and take it and eat it.
You better give me my fruit now.
Success.
Precious.
Are you twins?
Yes, it's many small. You know I want to cook soup.
Yes, are you twin with the watermelon?
No, it's not watermelon. It's water leaf.
Water leaf and watermelon. Success. Please let me salt. Let me use for cooking my rice.
Okay, you can be going. I'm coming. Look at it, my sister.
My sweet sister. My sweetest sister. Assuming you didn't have this salt now, who would like going to lending this salt for me? Helping me to point it inside that pot. No problem.
Help me. After cooking, give me your.
Thank you. Success! Success!
It.
What do you give it to me to cooking this day?
For information, what I gave you to cook this rice is clean.
Success! You giving it to me, rather than giving it to me, salties.
I don't have salt.
How daren't you?
I don't have salt.
Why didn't you told me? Are you giving it to me to use it and cooking this rice? You are mad. In fact, you are stupid.
I'm not mad. Is the best salt.
You are crazy.
Eat it, you enjoy it.
You are rubbish. Nonsense.
You enjoy it.
You giving it to me to use it. How dare you? You will pay for this rice because this is the only rice that I have in this house. You will pay for me.
Precious, I am not paying for anything. It's what you did to me. One no go best. Do me, I do one no go best. So you did it for the first time, I cried. So for the second time, I did you. Don't cry, okay?
You must pay for it.
I'll not pay for
You must pay for it. Whether you liking it or not, you must pay for it.
I'm not paying for anything. Come, let me lend you salt. Nonsense. Come on, cook rice.
My sweet sister, my baby sister in the world. If not for you, who could have lent me salt from?
Speaking wrong English. Nonsense. Come and cook rice. How was the fun?
I enjoyed it. In fact, I love it.
Was it short or long?
Don't mind the net me.
I will mind you.
No, don't mind the net me. If not that day, I would have beaten her. I would have.
I beg, forget about that.
I would have shown her the poorest I'm made of. I'm made enough.
You're made of. That day you just say it's made of this.
I'm made of this now. I would have shown her the power that I'm made of.
Which kind of office?
Don't mind the net. But success. I enjoy net it. In fact, I love net it. But how do you get to all these big purpose?
Purpose? Which purpose?
What is the name of this thing now? Since you don't understand it, what is purpose?
The name of this thing is pawpaw.
Okay, puppies. How do you get in all these big puppies?
It's not puppies, pawpaw. I saw it on my way going to the stream, so it was plenty there, and this one was the one that was ripe and very big. So I decided to plug it.
Ha! But nobody catches you.
Who will catch me?
Nobody catches you.
Who can catch me?
Ah.
Who is that person that will catch me? Is that person a ghost? The only thing that will stay there, that everywhere is cool.
Yes.
That place. So the thing that you can be hearing the voices, those birds and all those things. They'll be shouting. No. I take my own cherry.
This purpose is so sweet. But you trying, so you trying. Huh. How do you get in it now? Tell it me. This purpose is so sweet.
Purpose.
Purpose. Purpose. Anyone. Purpose and purpose. The liberty no the same. So leave it there.
Yeah.
You trying, so you trying. But will you give it Amarachi? When you are giving it her small, so that she'll not finishing it for us.
Okay, now no problem. I'll give her small.
Okay. This purpose is so sweet.
Okay, now. Do you want more? This one you're looking for.
I wanted more.
After you're going inside, huh?
Okay, I'm coming too.
Amarachi, I've been looking for you everywhere. So you are at the backyard? Yes. I brought pawpaw for you. Success, where did you get this pawpaw?
You are asking me where I get the pawpaw?
Yes.
Me, Success.
On my way going to the stream, I saw the pawpaw, so it was the only one that right there. I plugged it.
Success, this is not good.
You steal somebody's pawpaw? It's not somebody's pawpaw.
Please take.
I did not steal, for information. This pawpaw does not belong to anybody. It's nobody's pawpaw.
I will not eat. Eat your pawpaw.
I will not eat again. Why you don't want to eat?
I will not eat.
Why you don't want to eat?
Eat
I
your
brought pawpaw for you.
I will
It's
not
not
eat.
to eat pawpaw. You are here. If you don't want to eat, let me eat it.
Me and Precious have already eaten the remaining.
Yes,
the
eat.
other ones. This is the remaining one.
Yes, eat.
Am I the one to wash this plate? Am I the one to wash this plate? Tell me what rubbish is this? Tell me. What nonsense is this? You must wash it tonight. If not, what will you do? If not, you must wash this plate. Whether you like it or not, you must wash this plate.
And I will not wash it, Precious.
You are telling me to come and wash it for you. In fact, you are exposing me to come and wash it for you. You are joking. It's better you take this plate and wash it or else. Who needs you to come and hold it to? I'll slap it you.
If I don't wash it, what will you do, Precious?
You will set me letters.
Okay.
You will set my colorings letters.
Well, the Irish.
You leave this plate inside. Can't you see that this plate is dirty? You must wash it.
I'm not washing it, please.
Take this plate and wash it. You must wash it. You must wash it. You must. I will slap you. If I slap you, you will not yes yourself. If I slap you, you will not yes yourself. So you better take this plate and wash it. Take this plate and wash it now. You must wash it. Take it. You must wash it. She said, I will slap you. I will slap you. Hey. Who honored you to come and honored you?
I'm not going to wash this place, Precious.
You must wash it.
Precious and Sunset, why are you both fighting?
Answer the question now.
Is it not her? Is it not her? She leaving those plates inside and exposing me to come and wash it for her. What type of rubbish is this?
Sunset, is it true?
Oh. You are asking me. Did you hear any single word from her mouth? Or did you hear any single English from her mouth? Rather than this nonsense that she's here speaking. Washes this place.
If she's mad, then you are maddies. If she's mad, then you are maddies. Nonsense. And if Auntie Joy comes back, I'll tell her.
Tell her. Go ahead.
Nonsense. You're exposing me to my washing this plate for you. What type of nonsense is this? Nonsense. Foolishnesses.
Nonsense.
Stupid.
Thank you for watching all our videos.
We promise to give you the best.
Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Click the red button below. And also share with your friends. Don't forget to give us a good comment. Thank you. Bye.